Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself staring at the frustrating "profile has some issues" message on Facebook, you're not alone. Today, I'm here to guide you through some simple steps to resolve this issue and get you back to connecting with friends and family in no time. First things first, let's understand why this message appears. Facebook uses automated systems to ensure that profiles adhere to their community standards. Sometimes this can lead to temporary restrictions if something seems off, even if you haven't done anything wrong. But don't worry, we can tackle this together. The first step is to check your email associated with your Facebook account. Facebook often sends notifications regarding any issues with your profile. Look for any messages that might provide specific details about what needs to be fixed. If you find one, follow the instructions provided in the email. Next, log into your Facebook account and navigate to the Help Center. Here you can search for the specific issue you're facing. Facebook has a wealth of resources that can guide you through common problems. If you can't find a solution, don't hesitate to reach out to Facebook's support team directly. They can provide personalized assistance to help resolve your issue. Another important step is to review your profile information. Ensure that your name, profile picture, and other details comply with Facebook's guidelines. Sometimes a minor detail can trigger a flag on your account. If you've recently changed your name or added new content, consider reverting those changes temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. Lastly, patience is key. Sometimes these issues can take a little time to resolve, especially if they require manual review by Facebook. While you wait, consider exploring other features on the platform or connecting with friends in different ways. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these tips help you fix the profile has some issues problem and get you back to enjoying Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and happy connecting. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.